guys, and welcome to my first PHP tutorial on a whole series of tutorials I'm going to be doing. What this series is going to be about is I'm going to show y'all how to code better and what all the coding junk means and all the errors that you may come across, what they mean, and different stuff like that. Now what you need first is a code editor. If you've been following along with my browser-based tutorial, you should already have one of these. In those tutorials I was using Context, but I don't really like Context, so I got Notepad++. You can use like Komodo, Dreamweaver, Notepad++, Context, wherever you want. They have a lot of free ones, just search Google or something. But if you want to follow along with me, I recommend getting Notepad++. So in this tutorial, we're going to be dealing with the if-else statements. What an if-else statement is like, say, if something, what it's basically saying is if something equals something else, then run a block of code. Else, if it doesn't equal it, then don't do nothing. So I can explain better in code. So first we open up PHP. We do if that's what it's basically like. If parentheses the brackets else. So now inside here we do, like, let's just do one example, and you have to have the parentheses. Well, you have to have the parentheses if you're making numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, or something like that. Then you have to have those parentheses. If it's words, you don't. So let's do parentheses. If 1 equals 2. That means that's saying if 1 equals 2, which of course 1 does not equal 2. So you gotta have those double equals, because I can't really explain it, but there's single, what they call single equals, double equals, and triple equals. You gotta have, don't really know what the difference is, but if you try to do like single equals, it's not going to work. You have to have double equals to, like, say the double equals is like comparing something, comparing two things. So if 1 equals 2, then you want to echo out they equal. Well, you can say whatever you want. They equal. Else, if 1 does not equal 2, then you want to echo out they don't equal. And then that's basically it. So if you open up Chrome, I'm using XAMPP. I'm using XAMPP, but if you're using WAM, then right here where I have game, you'll type in www, or whatever you call your folder name. I just called it game, and I forgot to save this. Go to File, Save As, if-else tutorial.php. You can call it whatever you want, just you got to have .php at the end. You got to. So, if-else tutorial.php. saved it on the wrong place. My bad. Computer, local disk, XM, htdocs, game, there. Now, and see it comes up, they equal. Okay, hold on. Why did it come up they equal? If 1 equals 2, echo they equal else echo they don't equal. Oops. There it goes. Maybe you don't need the parentheses. I thought you did, but apparently you don't. So see, if 1 equals 2, echo they equal. If they don't, then echo they don't equal. Which of course these two don't equal, so that's why it came out they don't equal. But if you change this to 1, then 2 equal, so you come out with they equal. So let's do something else. Let's do names this time. If Susan equals that. Oh yeah. These are what you gotta have parentheses. Okay, there we go. For names, like if you have words or anything, you gotta have single quotes over each one. Like see, you gotta have single quotes right there. You gotta have single quotes over Susan and single quotes over Beth. But on numbers, you don't put anything. So see, Susan does not equal Beth, so it comes up they don't equal. But let's change this to Susan, they equal. And let's say I forgot the lowercase, the uppercase. So if uppercase Susan equals lowercase Susan, comes up, they don't equal. So see, it is case sensitive. So if this one has to be the same properties, gotta be the same uppercase and lowercase as this. So let's change that back to uppercase Susan. And comes up they equal again. Now, you could put variables up here like name equals Susan, and then right here instead of put Susan, you put name, but we're going to say that for another tutorial. We're not going to talk about that in this tutorial. So that's going to, the variables are going to be in the next tutorial. So yeah, this is pretty much what an if-else statement works. You say if something equals something else, then echo, or run something doesn't don't equal, then don't do anything or do something else. So anyway, that's basic on if-else statements. So see you all in my next part.